Hello guys, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to use OBS to make gaming clips and to clip anything you want. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to settings, we're gonna go to output, select output mode advanced, then go to the replay buffer tab and enable the replay buffer. Here you can pretty much adjust the time of your clip. It can be 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and etc. The more you go, the more RAM it will consume. So right now it consumes 800 megabytes of RAM at 240. And in the recording tab, you're going to select MP4 format. Here you can select the encoder of your choice. I generally recommend NVIDIA NVENC H.264. And if you don't have an NVIDIA GPU, you can select X.264. And in the encoder settings, we're going to select constant bitrate. And for 1080p, you can pretty much go with 18,000. For 1440p, you can go with 24,000. And for 4K, you can go with 28,000. So I'm going to go with 28,000. And here we're going to select P5 or P6, depending on your system. And the rest can pretty much stay the same. So yeah, I'm going to hit apply. And now we can go to settings again, go to hotkeys, and we can actually bind a hotkey to our save replay. So actually I can make it save my replay if I press backspace or F10. I'm gonna use F10 to save the replay. Hit apply and press OK. So now we can pretty much start the replay buffer, and we can press F10 and it's gonna save the replay video to this location by the press of F10. Now, if you want OBS to automatically start up with the replay buffer, it's actually really easy. So I'm going to minimize it. Go to the OBS Studio shortcut, hit Properties, and here we can pretty much type -- start replay buffer. Hit apply. Press OK, and then we can press Windows key plus R to bring out this little menu. Then we type shell, 2 dots, common, and then space, startup. Now this folder should open up, and you can pretty much drag this OBS Studio shortcut here, and it's gonna make OBS automatically start up with the replay buffer on. I can actually demonstrate it. I'm gonna quit OBS and use this shortcut, and as you can see, it started with the replay buffer. Now we can go to settings, and if you want OBS to start up without like appearing on the screen, you can go to the general system tray, enable system tray, minimize to system tray when started, and always minimize to system tray instead of taskbar. And your shadow play should just chill in your tray menu and always keep recording the clips. You can press the F10 key to save the clip when you want. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you like the video, please like, leave a comment, and maybe subscribe to my channel.